It's Black Friday, so I'm gonna be quick.
Our prices have never been lower!
Everything except for the bundles is now on sale. If you want to join the 25,000 people that have been learning from my paid courses, this is probably the best time to do it.
That's what she said!
Those books and courses were transformative for thousands of people. Many of them got their first job after months of radio silence. Many of them were promoted or started successful companies. I'm getting messages with people telling me about their success every single day now, and it's amazing. Biggest discount is the very first mobile app UI course that goes from $45 down to $20, and this is the biggest discount we've ever done. And this course is the best way to start for beginners because it teaches you all the unique methods that I created and also all the fundamentals that you're gonna need while learning from all the other places, including my free videos. Everything else is 40% off using the code BLURRY2023. If you are planning to get my courses and start your design journey and finally do something about your skills, this is the best time to do it. However, this offer expires on Friday, so you only have until Friday to do it, or you can just buy them at the full price. Friday morning, all the prices go back up. Thanks for the support, and obviously have a beautiful day.